Dear asawa, ilang years na tayo nagmamahalan. Ilang years na rin tayo nag-aaway, pero nananatiling matatag, di ba? Di naman talaga tayo tatagal. Hindi mo sinunod lahat ng sinasabi ko kasi ramdam po talaga sa lahat ng bagay. Tama ako, ikaw mali. Kaso kumukwenta ka minsan kagigil, basta lagi mong tatandaan. Kahit araw-araw pa tayo mag-away, tandaan mo, hindi ako magpapatalo. Ilalaban ko ang bandera na sa mag-asawa babae lagi ang may tama. Este ang tama.
Happiest birthday to the man who loved us unconditionally. Mayibo, Mr. Always wishing you good health, more candles to blow together, and more answered prayers of our hearts. Thank you so much for being so much good husband, provider, and loving father to our son, AJ. May God bless us always. And always remember, AJ and I loves you so much through the moon and stars back. Love you.